Cursor AI versus Windsurf AI. Let's get started. Both are leading AI-powered coding tools in 2025, each offering unique features tailored to different developer needs. Now first, let's start with Cursor. It's developed by Inspire. Cursor is an AI-integrated development environment that enhances coding efficiency through features like code generation, smart rewrites, and code-based queries. Now let's talk about its pros. First, it has the rapid code generation, which is the natural language prompt to generate code swiftly. It also has a deep code-based understanding and the agent mode. Now, you have here the downsides. It's not beginner friendly and it requires a fundamental understanding of coding and it has a subscription cost. Now, next we have is Windsurf. Windsurf, formerly known as Codium, is an AI coding assistant acquired by OpenAI, emphasizing project-wide code understanding and multi-file editing capabilities. Let's talk about its pros. So first, it has the Cascade technology, which provides smart code suggestions by understanding the entire project context. It also has multi-file editing and a clean UI. Now, which one of the two is the best? Now, in my opinion, choose Cursor if you're an experienced developer seeking rapid code generation and intelligent code-based insights within a familiar IDE environment. And choose Windsurf if your project involves complex multi-file structures and you value a tool that understands and edits across your entire code base efficiently.